In today's video, I'll show you how to add team members in Typeform step by step. If you're working with clients, coworkers, or a team, this feature makes it easy to collaborate on forms and manage projects together. First, open your Typeform account and go to your workspace. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Workspace Settings or Team section. This is where you manage access for other users. Now click on the option that says Invite Members or Add Team Members. Next, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. You can invite coworkers, clients, or anyone who needs access to your forms and workspace. After entering the email, choose the permission level for that user. For example, some members may only need viewing access, while others may need permission to edit forms, manage responses, or handle integrations. Selecting the correct role is important because it controls what each team member can and cannot do inside the workspace. Once you've selected the permissions, click the Invite button. The person will receive an email invitation to join your Typeform workspace. After they accept the invitation, they'll be able to access the forms and resources you shared with them. This feature is especially useful for businesses, agencies, and teams managing multiple forms together because everyone can collaborate in one place. Before adding members, it's a good idea to review your workspace organization and permissions carefully to avoid accidental edits or unwanted access. You can also remove or update team member permissions later if needed. And that's it. You've successfully added team members in Typeform and set up collaboration inside your workspace. And that's how you add team members in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.